Good morning, namaste and warm welcome, my dear students, guardians and all the viewers who have been watching us in Kalika SDTV from Facebook Live and from YouTube too. I am Prakash Subedi, your mathematics teacher, and I am taking class especially for standard 9, and today I have come to start geometry for standard 9. It means we will talk about some basic concept of geometry that we have already got from junior classes too. So, before I start, let me start from slides and if possible PIP, otherwise in the slide. Let us see either PIP or in the slide please. Okay, slide you have seen. I request dear students to read it out. So, we are going to learn about geometry and I have one definition of geometry I have shown you in the slide. You can see triangles is today's lesson. So, geometry, it is one of the branches of mathematics that studies the properties and relation in a logical manner between the point, line, plane and space shapes. So, what is geometry? If somebody asks, I guess you get the definition this way. It is geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the properties and relation in a logical manner between the point, line, plane and space shapes. So, you can see in the side triangles. Can you construct a triangle with sides of length? Look. Let me write the same thing here. At first, let me begin with this question. Can you construct a triangle? This delta, this sign is known as delta in fact, and then but to denote a triangle we use this notation. It is known as delta sign and delta sign represents a triangle. I have in short I am going to write, this is why I did not write triangle, a triangle here. I hope you understand. Can you construct a triangle? Having sides of 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So, dear student, let us try. Is it possible to construct this triangle? Can you construct? This is your homework. Okay. Let us try whether you can or not, but here I am going to share the concept, but this is your duty to make a triangle. You can send me that picture of triangle with these sides if you can. Okay. Now, let me discuss whether we can or not. What is first side? You see here the first side is 4 centimeter, the second side is 2.5 centimeter and third side is 1 centimeter. You know, normally that you will get the definition of triangle, you have already seen it as well. Okay, let me show you in the slide please and then we discuss this. So, definition of a triangle: a closed plane figure bounded by the 3 line segments is called a triangle. There are various types of triangle. We classify the triangles on the basis of their sides and their angles. Okay, can we manage it in PIP? If we manage, it will be better PIP. Otherwise, let us go to the board please. Okay, now let me show you in the board. It was the definition, a closed figure, like this is a triangle because it is enclosed by 3 line segments. Line segment number 1 AB, line segment number 2 BC, line segment number 3 AC. So, this ABC is a triangle because it is a closed bounded figure and enclosed by 3 line segments, and obviously it has 3 vertices, they are A, B and C, and 3 angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. And what are the sides of the triangle? Those line segments are the sides of the triangle, they are AB, BC and CA. Now, let us come to that my previous question. Is it possible in a triangle? Can we construct, can we enclose a triangle having these sides? Like, look, is this a triangle, dear student? Can we tell it a triangle? Is it a triangle? Line segment number 1, line segment number 2, line segment number 3. So, is it a triangle? What do you think? 3 line segments are there, but it is not a triangle. It is because 3 line segments, they have not enclosed, they have the portion is not bounded. It should be bounded by 3 vertices and 3 line segments. So, this will not be a triangle until we enclosed here. Look, point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, line segment number 1, line segment number 2, line segment number 3. By the help of 3 line segments, it should be bounded in order to make it a triangle, in order to make it a triangle. Now, so let us suppose here L1 line segment, first line segment's length is 4 cm, length of second line segment is 2.5 cm, length of third line segment is 1 cm. Can you draw a triangle? This was my question, and actually I want to share now the fact. I hope you have tried up to now. Again, throughout the day you can try to make a triangle using these sides, but it is not possible. It is because, dear student, at first we need to take the greatest side. Which is the greatest side here? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter is L1. This greatest side should be greater than, sum of other 2 sides. Second side is 2.5. Sorry, it should be a little reverse sign I should give here. 4 centimeter should be less than the sum of remaining 2 sides, 2.5 plus 1. Whether it is true or not true. If this is true, you can construct a triangle. If this is false, you cannot construct a triangle. It means sum of any 2 side should be greater than the third side. For example, look here, turn by turn I will write. To construct a triangle, this is the major condition. Here L1 is 4 cm, L2 is 2.5 cm and L3 is 1 centimeter. Now, if we add L1 and L2, that we get L1 plus L2 is 4 and 4 plus 2.5, it is 6.5, which is greater than 1. This is true. For this it is true, and L2 plus L3 if you take, what is L2 plus L3? L2 is 2.5 plus L3 is 1, which is 3.5. This is not greater than, this 3.5 is less than L1. Therefore, we cannot construct a triangle with above condition. So, this is the fact, dear student. To construct a triangle, the sum of length of any 2 sides should be greater than the third side. You take any 2 sides, find their sum. If it is greater than third side, you can construct a triangle. If it is not greater than the third side, you cannot construct a triangle. Like once is 4 centimeter, 2.5 plus 1, 3.5 centimeter, that is less than 4. So, we cannot construct a triangle. So, to construct a triangle, what is the fact we have just learned? In any triangle, the sum of length of two sides should be greater than the third side. Okay. So, one fact we have completed today. To construct and the answer of my question is no, we cannot construct. It is because the sum of length of two side is not greater than third side there. 2.5 plus 1 makes 3.5, which is less than 4 centimeter. Therefore, we cannot construct the triangle. Okay. So, now let me see next slide. Okay. Triangles we are learning. Classification of triangles. Now, let us go to classification of triangle on the basis of sides. So, I am not going to take more time here. It is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Scalene, isosceles and equilateral. Okay, let me show you the definition. You can read out there. A triangle having unequal sides is called scalene. A triangle having two sides equal is called an isosceles triangle, and a triangle having all sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. So, some picture, let me see here. These are the three triangles of three types, and on the basis of sides, these are the three model of triangle. So, let me make in the board and let us discuss a little only. I do not spend more time, because I guess you know this fact well. Okay. So, I have drawn three triangles. I may go little faster day student today, because you already have got this all concept of triangles, and I am just going to revise, as this is the first day of geometry. Three triangles I have made, and this what does it mean? It means side 1 and side 2 are equal. Let me name ABC triangle. I have given the same sign in two sides. It means here AB is equal to AC. If again I give same sign for BC, then this will also be equal to BC. So, what you got, dear student, here? What is the relation between three line segments? What is the relation between three sides there? You see, side length of side AB is same as length of side AC, is same as length of side BC. All three sides are equal, and this triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Triangle delta I have written. Second one, this one. Now, let us suppose here this side is equal to this side. DEF is the triangle. Two line segment, one DE is equal to DF. So, these two sides of triangle DEF are equal, you can see in the figure. We represent by such signs to make that two sides are equal. Here both sides are denoted by just like equal sign in both place. It means this line segment DE is equal to this line segment DF. So, this type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle because it is having two sides equal. Now, third one, dear student, let me name here CDE triangle. Here I have given one line, then here 2 and here 3 small lines. Now, look, here 3 different signs indicate 3 different sides. It means here CD I have given this sign, for CE I have given this sign, for DE I have given different sign. Are they same? Is anyone matching? You study the sign please, but you get nothing matching there. It means here CD is not equal to DE and CD is not equal to CE. It means these all 3 sides are unequal sides. There is no sides equal to each other. All of them have different measurement. Okay. The length of all sides are different. This type of triangle is known as scalene triangle. So, these are the types of triangles on the basis of sides. When we study a triangle on the basis of sides, we can classify a triangle into 3 different parts. They are 3 different types. They are equilateral triangle having all sides equal, isosceles triangle having 2 sides equal, and scalene triangle having no sides equal. Okay. Now, again let me, I have made a slide showing this example. So, let me show the slide please. Okay, you can see here as well similar 3 triangles I have made in the slide. You can see one triangle is having 3 sides equal, and then one triangle is having 2 sides equal, and another triangle is having no sides equal, just like I have just shown you in the board, that these 3 triangles represents 3 types of triangle on the basis of side. So, a triangle has 3 sides, and similarly a triangle has 3 angles as well. So, dear student, now here I am going to show you again classification of triangles we are discussing on the basis of angles. You see here in the slide, they are acute angled triangle, and then obtuse angled triangle and right angled triangle. Okay. Now, let me show this example as well in the slide too, but before that let me read out what is written there. Acute angle triangle, a triangle having all angles less than 90 degree is called an acute angle triangle. A triangle having one angle greater than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle triangle. A triangle having one angle exactly 90 degree is called a right angled triangle. Now, let me see those examples in the slide as well. So, this is classification of triangle on the basis of angles. Now, let me focus in the board please. Look, and let me revise you something like acute angle. Acute angle means, in short I am writing, okay, less than 90 degree. So, 90 degree is neither acute nor obtuse, 90 degree is a right angle. Okay. So, acute angle means less than 90 degree angle, and exact 90 degree. Okay. So, let me write here right angle. Right angle means is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle is, obtuse angle should be it means greater than 90 degree. So, when you draw an angle, now I have not talked here about more than 180 degree, it is because for triangle it is impossible. I have just define you 3 types of angle only here, and if one angle is more than 180 degree, it becomes reflex angle, an angle exactly 180 degree, it is a straight angle. Okay. So, there we are not going there. These three facts we need to define a triangle. So, last time we have just completed classification of a triangle according to sides. Now, I am talking about classification of a triangle according to angle. So, before classification of triangle, you should be confident on what is acute angle, what is right angle and what is obtuse angle. So, after this let me make a picture. Let us suppose we construct a triangle and whose angles are approximately, okay, this is not exact value, I am writing randomly, dear student. Look, okay, this is a triangle, you see 3 angles, measurement of 3 angles I have written there. What is the first angle? Okay, let me take this angle at first, 58 degree, 90 degree less than, is it less than 90 degree? This is acute angle. Next one is 60 degree. This is also acute angle, because it is less than 90 degree means acute angle. Next one is 62 degree. This is also acute angle. So, what did we get, dear student, here? We got all 3 angles acute angles. So, this triangle is named as acute angled triangle. This is what? Acute angled triangle, because it is having all angles acute angles. So, a triangle is said to be an acute angle triangle if it has all 3 angles acute angles. Next, second one. Second one. May not be perfect, but my dear student, you can understand surely. What is the measurement of this angle? Angle B, it is 90 degree. Look, ABC. ABC is a triangle. This triangle is having one angle 90 degree. Here, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree means this triangle has one angle whose measurement is exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree means it is a right angle. So, if a triangle has one angle 90 degree, that triangle is known as right angled triangle. If a triangle consists a right angle, it becomes a right angled triangle. So, this is the example of right angled triangle. Okay. Now, my question to you, dear student, can you construct a triangle? Can you construct a triangle having 2 right angles? If yes, how? If not, why? I hope you answer this question to my Gmail or Google Classroom. I have provided you the Google code of my Google Classroom and my Gmail already in my previous classes. So, remember, this is question for you. Next, 3 number. Let us see this obtuse angle. What type of angle is known as obtuse angle, dear student? Obtuse angle means the angle which is greater than 90 degree. Obtuse angle means the angle which is greater than 90 degree. So, I am making, look, this is 90 degree. Now, little more from here I am making. Now, you are sure that this angle is more than 90 degree. This angle should be more than 90 degree. Now, if I complete a triangle taking these 2 sides, look, now this angle is here angle PQR, here angle PQR is greater than 90 degree. So, it is obtuse. Here you can see angle PQR, this angle is greater than 90 degree. So, this triangle PQR, what type of triangle is triangle PQR? PQR is a triangle that has an angle more than 90 degree. So, an angle more than 90 degree means that is an obtuse angle. So, this angle PQR is an obtuse angle. This triangle consists of an obtuse angle. This is why this third type of triangle is known as obtuse angled triangle. Okay? This type of triangle is known as obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. So, this is how we have defined, we have classified a triangle by two methods, one on the basis of sides and one on the basis of angles. Let me go to the slide once please. So, look, two green triangles you can see in the screen, and next one is white in color. So, you can see, I hope you have understood the type, the classification of triangle. Can you identify there that first green one, upper one, whether it is acute angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle, which one is obtuse angle triangle, which one is acute angle triangle? Can you identify? I have shown you in the slide, in the picture. Can you answer, dear student? Are you guessing? I hope you can guess it easily. Now, look, now I have come to this figure. You are very much familiar with this figure, I guess, my dear student. I have already told you geometry for standard 9. This is your first class. I am going to start today. This is why I am going to revise what you have already studied. Now, we are learning, we are in the lesson triangles, but we need this concept as well. So, we are going to learn these all types. Now, you can see in the slide, we are going to learn different type of triangles, different type of angles here. Okay, so, look at the board please. May I draw your attention to the board. So, dear student, I have made these parallel lines using my free hand. I do not have scale, sorry for that. So, you may think they are not perfectly parallel and they are may not be perfectly straight. So, I hope you will compromise with my figure. The figure I have just shown in the slide, it was the perfect one. So, you can see, dear student, here are two parallel lines AB and CD. Two parallel lines AB and CD. Here AB is parallel to CD. Parallel lines means those type of lines which line do not meet to each other even if we produce both the lines in either direction. It means if you lengthen this line AB towards up to there and CD also up to there, or wherever you draw either left side or right side, if you lengthen the lines, if you produce the line in either direction, they will never meet. So, such lines are known as parallel lines. And next property of parallel lines, in standard 8 you focused in these things. So, if you draw a perpendicular between these two lines AB and CD, the length of perpendicular, the distance between AB and CD from wherever you take, that should come same. If you take distance of AC from here, if you take distance of BD from here, if you take distance between AB and CD from here, if you take distance, if you find distance of two lines AB and CD from here, wherever, from wherever you want to find the distance between them, it comes same. This is why lines AB and CD are known as parallel lines, and this PQ line is known as the transversal. This PQ line is known as the transversal, and transversal has got two lines AB and CD. So, dear student, I want to continue. I am enjoying teaching you, but I have got a signal that my time is over. So, I should stop my class here. Next week with same lesson we will continue geometry interestingly, and then till then I hope you stay practicing mathematics at home. And before going, I want to ask two questions only. Can you draw a triangle with 2 cm, 3 cm, 1 cm sides? First question. Second question, can a triangle have two angles, two obtuse angles? Simply we can write two obtuse angles. And third question, can a triangle have two right angles, two angles of 90 degree? Okay, this logical question I have given you as a homework. You need to state, if your answer is yes, why, if your answer is no, then why. Okay, give reason in these three. These are the logical question for you, and I will see you on coming Sunday. Till then,